Welcome back to Primetime News and a very special welcome to those of you joining us online at onespotmedia.com. Now we begin this evening with a developing story. Our news center has been informed that the executive of the Jamaica Teachers Association, JTA, met on Sunday with its delegates to hold a second vote on the government's latest wage offer under the Compensation Review Program. Now the development follows a new wage offer submitted by the Ministry of Finance and the Public Service on Friday after teachers across the island took industrial action for a number of days. Now, the leadership of the JTA has been consulting with its delegates online at the weekend on the new offer. The result of today's vote is expected later today. Now, on Wednesday, a majority of the delegates voted against the package. 227 delegates then voted to accept it. The government says it has set aside $12 billion to start paying the teachers their new wages. And of course, we'll continue tracking that story as it develops.